This well-appointed and contemporary 3-level townhome overlooks Laurel Lake Park and has been completely refreshed to ensure that it is move-in ready for its new owners. This home sits lakeside and offers an open floor plan on the main living level featuring new kitchen appliances and other upgrades. The rear garage entry leads to a second-story family room and a deck overlooking the lake. It sits aside the first of 2 bedrooms with shared ensuite and hallway bath featuring a slider with access to the deck to enjoy watching the sun rise and set daily. The 3rd floor offers an oversized primary bedroom with private bathroom ensuite, walk-in closet, and a bonus room perfect for a study, nursery, or your desired private rest, recreation, or relaxation. You'll love the unique layout, and will appreciate the sellers taking the time to ensure the home is right and ready for its new owners.